Alright, so hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Roblox cache on PC. Let's get started. So first of all, just open your search bar on the PC and type here run. Now open it and type here percentage uh, local app data, percentage, and then slash Roblox. Okay, now after typing this, percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox, press enter, and this file will appear. Now what you have to do, keep version, client setting, and universal app, and delete all the file. Just leave universal app, versions, and client settings, and delete all the file over here. This one. Okay, and this one. You have to keep 3 files: client settings, universal app, versions. Just leave these 3 and delete all the files, and you will be good to go. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.